many reasons false narratives are created and real events are misrepresented, the most notable of which is the motive of the enemies. In order to achieve their purposes, the enemies bring about alterations in historical texts or misinterpret them. This has been done to other Imams as well. For example, through extensive propaganda, Muawiyah spread so many lies about Imam Ali and his character to the point that he had created an entirely different persona of the Imam in the minds of the Syrians. To the Syrians, Imam Ali was this rebellious, power-hungry man who, God forbid, did not pray Salah and indulged in heavy alcohol consumption. And the enemies of Imam Hussain tried to do the same with Karbala. The Umayyad regime wanted to appear as the victors and wanted to degrade Imam Hussain and his sacred movement. So they accused him of causing conflict and division and of disrupting social harmony and peace. Such propaganda began from the very first day. When Muslim Ibn Aqil was captured and brought to the palace, Ibn Ziyad said to Hazrat Muslim, "O son of Aqil, what was it that brought you to the city? The people here lived in satisfaction and peace. You came and disrupted their peace, causing disunity and conflict among the Muslims." Hazrat Muslim answered with dignity and said, "Firstly, I did not come to the city on my own account. It was the people of the city who invited us. They wrote a great number of letters which are in our possession. In those letters, they wrote that your father, Ziyad, who ruled the city for years, had killed its virtuous men and imposed its scoundrels over the virtuous, subjecting them to various forms of tyranny and injustice. They appeal to us to help them establish justice. We have come to establish justice." The Umayyad regime did wage much propaganda of this kind. They falsely claimed that Imam Hussain was a rebel and a liar, and dragged the women and children of his family around bazaars and palaces with the aim of humiliating the Imam. But they were not successful. They had no effect on his reputation, and their misrepresentations did not affect the history of Islam. You will not find a single competent historian in the world who might have said that Hussein ibn Ali made an unlawful uprising, that he rose to cause conflict and disunity among the people. No, the enemy could not bring about any misrepresentation in the history of the event of Karbala. Most regrettably, whatever distortion has occurred in the event of Karbala has been at the hands of the followers of Imam Hussain.